Hi, thanks for having me here. My name is Jim. Toggle.ai is a generative AI fintech company backed by Stranger Computer and Mitsubishi UFJ. And we have a very interesting partnership with Microsoft in terms of cognitive search. So what we're making is basically a multi-LLM based chat interface that reinvent the wealth management spaces. So the goal is to eliminate the UI what many wealth managers have on their platform. Instead, we try to give them a simple chat interface to let the users to ask any investment related question. So behind the screen, there is an intention model that understands what user is asking. Basically, the chat interface brokers or matches the questions to the right microservice or any foundation model to handle that question with no hallucination. So why are we doing this? In Asia alone, the wealth management is really booming right now. It's gonna grow to 4.7 trillion by 2026, especially backed by upfront investors, but the demand are unmet currently. The biggest reason for that is financial goals for people are so diversified in these days, and both their portfolio and market is dynamically changing as we speak, making it really hard for human wealth managers to keep up with. So let me give you a quick example. There is a client Jim who has Ray on wealth manager. Jim shows a deep concern on tech sector during the recession period. But unfortunately, Ray hasn't actually thought about this matter that deep, largely because his time is quite tied up with facing 200 wealth management clients. So after Ray identified Jim's concern via the CRM that runs 24 hours, then Ray tried to sync Jim's portfolio to let the machine understand what sector Jim is exposed to and how it's related to his concern. And then there is a whole bunch of scenario analysis that Ray can run both on single asset and portfolio basis. And the question is analyzed in just a few seconds. What this means is Ray only needs to keep asking the question via chat prompt for Jim, and the machine gives analysis that is fully fact-based and traceable. And it eventually leads to a potential portfolio rebalancing idea. The system not only covers capital market but also real estate or any other alternative investment to compare pros and cons and provide a specific action Jim can consider. So ultimately, Ray can now better respond to Jim's concern in email with a detailed analysis and action item Jim can consider. Hopefully, Ray can make this personalized approach to all of his 200 clients in a day until the end of his day. So Toggle is basically teaching LLM to handle all of the investment workflow related questions that wealth managers need to handle, so their end users can benefit from the services. Unlike the ChatGPT, which is Wikipedia-like, we are focused on investment-specific domain to make LLM work on investing. And our B2B integration is really an easy breeze. We implemented our biggest integration project in just 3 months with a 75% reduced cost on average. And with our services, users typically trade Forex more than the average traders on many platforms in many languages in whatever language they use. So Toggle LLM chat interface is a true investing copilot that reinvents the service experience for the wealth manager and their client. Thanks so much for listening.